Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reading Fred and Ted Go Camping. This is Fred and this is Ted. Let's start reading Fred and Ted Go Camping by Peter Eastman. Fred and Ted were friends. They liked to go camping in the woods. One day they packed their cars. They were going camping. Fred and Ted Go Camping by Peter Eastman. Beginner Books, a division of Random House, Inc. Fred and Ted were friends. They liked to go camping in the woods. One day they packed their cars. They were going camping. They drove to the woods. Fred took many things. Ted took few things. They parked their cars and walked into the woods. Fred liked this spot. Ted liked it too. Fred had a hard time with his tent. Ted had an easy time with his tent. Pop! That night, Fred was awake. Ted was asleep. Ted woke up early. Fred woke up late. They took their boat to the lake. Fred took the heavy end. Ted took the light end to the lake. They put the boat in the water. Ted stayed dry. Fred got wet. They fished. Ted used a net. Fred used a pole. Ted got 10 little fish. Fred got one big fish! Splash! The boat tipped over. All the little fish jumped out. Splash! Fred and Ted swam away from the big fish. Ted swam fast. Fred swam faster. Ted ran fast. Fred ran faster. Now Ted was hungry. Fred was hungrier. Then they heard a little bird. Look up in a tree, look down at your feet, and soon you will find something to eat, sang the little bird. Fred looked up. He saw nothing. Ted looked down. He saw something. Berries! Yummy! Blueberries are my favorite berries. Fred looked up again. Bonk! Something hit Fred on his head. A nut! Bonk! They even found some crab apples. I like apples too. They went back to camp. Ted ran with the berries. Fred walked with the apples and nuts. They cooked the apples and the nuts in a pan on a fire. They ate it all up. Ted ate slowly. Fred ate quickly. What about the berries? They saved the berries for last. Yum! Look, even the bird is eating the berries. The berries they picked. The end. Have you read these all-time favorite beginner books? Are You My Mother? By P.D. Eastman. The Best Nest by P.D. Eastman. Big Dog, Little Dog by P.D. Eastman. The Big Honey Hunt by Stan and Jen Berenstain. The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. Flap Your Wings by P.D. Eastman. Go Dog Go by P.D. Eastman. Sam and the Firefly by P.D. Eastman. I have this book, and I have this book, and I have this book, and this book. But I haven't read all of them yet, but when I'm finished doing them, you can see my other videos from these books. The end. Bye everyone. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow. Bye!